All right, today I'm going to show you how to get your dishes dry in a dishwasher. So say for instance, you have your dishwasher and for some reason they just will not get dry at the end of the wash. The first thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to turn on heat dry. All right, make sure your heat dry is selected when you start your wash. Make sure that the heat dry is selected. That's first and foremost, but we're gonna go a little bit deeper than that, and I'm gonna show you, okay? So right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the dishwasher, all right? And you see there's some dishes in there. Now, one thing that you have to look for is go down here. I'm gonna go down here for you. See right here, this is where the dispenser is for detergent. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna look for something that says where you put the rinse aid. And then this particular washer, this is a Whirlpool, it's right next to it. It says rinse aid improves drying. All right, and so in here, this actually has an indicator to show you how much rinse aid is in here. Now, rinse aid improves drying, like they're saying, and right here it says check with door fully open, so press it open. And so that's the leveler down there, and it shows you how much is in there. The rinse aid is blue, and as you can see, it's completely full. But my dishes are not getting dry. And why aren't they getting dry if the thing is full? Well, I'm going to show you right here. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to look down right here. Do you see this right here? It says lock. Okay, I'm going to unlock this and open this up. And when I open this up, all right, open it up. You hear that? Popped out. There are some numbers. I'm going to try to zoom in so you can actually see this a little bit better. You see that? It says 1, 2, 3, and max. Currently, it's on 2. And at 2, the dishes are not becoming dry enough, okay? So what this indicator is, it indicates how much rinse aid is being dispensed when it's time to rinse. All right, low means the absolute minimum amount of rinse aid is being dispensed. All right, 2 is a little bit more, 3, and then max. You put it at max, that's the maximum amount of rinse aid to be dispense. Now you want to just try this out, okay? Because this is like maybe it may not need the max in order to get the dishes dry. You may need 3 or 2 or whatever. Because if you have it at max, you're going to run through your rinse aid pretty fast, okay? But if you need it, you need it. All right. The second thing, the third thing, or fourth thing, I can't remember, I can't count. Make sure that it is full. All right. And once it's full, all right, you just go ahead and close it. I have it at max, so the dishes should be getting nice and dry when it comes down to drying the dishes. All right, so let me know if you have any questions, and that's how you can get your dishes dry in this dishwasher. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.